If you see the 4C code Samsung washer, it means there is a problem with the water supply. This error usually happens when the machine isn't getting enough water due to low pressure, a blocked filter, or a kinked hose. Luckily, you can often fix this issue yourself with a few simple steps. First, check the water hose. A bent, twisted, or damaged hose can stop water from flowing properly into the washer. Make sure the hose is straight and not pinched behind the machine. If it's damaged, you may need to replace it. Also, check that the water tap connected to the washer is fully open. Sometimes, the tap may not be turned on all the way, which reduces the water flow and causes the 4C code Samsung washer error to appear. Another possible reason for the error is a clogged water hose filter. Over time, dirt and debris can build up in the small mesh filters inside the hose, restricting water flow. To clean the filters, turn off the water supply and disconnect the hose from both the machine and the water tap. Carefully remove the mesh filters, rinse them under running water, and put them back in place. Once you've reconnected everything, turn on the water supply and check if the error has disappeared. The detergent drawer can also sometimes cause the 4C code Samsung washer error. If there is a blockage in the drawer, water may not be able to enter the drum properly. Remove the drawer and check for detergent buildup or any foreign objects. Wash it with warm water, remove any residue, and put it back securely in the machine. If you've tried these steps and the 4C code Samsung washer still appears, your machine might need professional service. There could be an internal issue with the water inlet valve or other components that require repair. In such cases, it's best to contact a qualified technician to inspect your washing machine. By keeping your washer's water hose, filters, and detergent drawer clean, you can prevent this error from happening in the future. Regular maintenance ensures your washing machine runs smoothly and avoids unnecessary breakdowns. If you ever see the 4C code Samsung washer again, you'll now know exactly what to do to fix it.